Okay. So, good afternoon, everyone. I'm Isa. So, first, I would like to thank Sir Rex and Six Sigma PH for inviting me to share my journey. So, so I'd like to share the first time I heard of Six Sigma back when I was in college, back in the days. So, my first encounter with Six Sigma is that when my professor taught me about Six Sigma discipline on how structured tools can be made to organize messy problems or understand complex situations. So I even remember at the back of my college notebook, I wrote after my name, Isa de Sangco, and then with black belt certified. So it's like I manifest it back in the days. So when I was in after college, so I got busy with my job, and then hit 2019, and I was, looking for a Six Sigma, class. So, happily, I stumbled upon with Six Sigma PH class of Sir Rex, and then I asked myself, "Why not try it?" So, my journey started with a curiosity in mind. So, just wanted to illustrate the path for me to become a black belt. So, way back December of 2019, before the pandemic, so I'm part of Yellow Belt Wave 85. And then I enrolled to green belt and black belt by January 2020. So we experienced the first online class of Six Sigma PH during the lockdown. So I had my first project with my previous company, but it but for this one, so it not went well because of some factors affecting the pandemic. Since my first project focused on airlines, so Sir Rex sent an opportunity in our group chat. So there's a company looking for black belters or green belters looking for a project. So I volunteered, and then I conducted my Six Sigma circuit in my second project in August of 2020. So this is the exciting part we're in. Even though I'm not yet certified, and I just conducted my weekly alignments with them, and then conducted the make program. So we met weekly. So we improved some of the processes little by little. So they hired me. So they offered me a job, a full-time job for continuous improvement. So actually there's no continuous improvement department in that company, but they opened it for me. So I'm very lucky, and so that's why I texted Sir Rex after that. And then after around 10 months, I got certified. Yeah. So this took a long way, but it's all worth it.